Hello friends, welcome back to the series of Larry Learns How to Post YouTube Videos. This might be the very first video you see because it's only the second one I recorded, and the first video I recorded, it didn't record my mic audio. So I had to go back and learn what I did wrong there, and we're going to give it another shot. Now this is not going to be a very long video, just going to give you a little bit of insight into what this game's kind of like. This is Car Mechanic Simulator 21. And these are a couple of cars I got from the junkyard. Here's a nice Porsche. I'm going to paint this Canary yellow. Then I've got a fake car here. This looks like it's probably a Lincoln of something, townhouse or something. It's called in-game a Zephyr. And I'm going to give it that nice red color there, you see. So, but first of all, what do we got to do? We got to get this baby cleaned up. So let's go to the car wash first of all. Here we go. Washing the car is as easy as click 1 and click 2. Baby's washing it. Then we'll scrub the interior, which is basically just the same procedure. Get everything nice and clean. Now you see all the body parts, the chassis, they still look horrible. We need to repair that. We can do that fairly simple. So we'll move back into our garage, move the car into our garage now. As you see up on the lift. Don't need to lift it up yet because we gotta go to the welder. And we will, oh, it's expensive, $22.50. That's what happens when you have a Porsche. Shit gets expensive. So, all the body parts that aren't removable have now been repaired. So what I like to do, there's basically three phases of repairing these cars. One is the body and the interior. Second, and with that I include the tires and the hubcaps. And then you have the suspension, and then you have the engine, which apparently is in the back of this car. But the first thing I'm going to do is take off all the body parts that I can, that are, or the ones that are here. Yeah, I see the engine in the back there. I'll go and repair what I can repair. I'll get the tires off as well. When you got a really rusted bolts, then you have to lubricate them to get them off. So this bad boy does not have many parts on him at all, and hardly any tires. Only just the one tire too. Wow. Okay. So let's do the tires first. That'll be the quickest part. Just go buy 4 new tires and 4 new hubcaps. Assuming I'll try to repair the one that I have. No, it's too far gone. Can't do it. So what we do is go to the inventory, and then I can now put these on the shopping list. I just go to the tire shop first of all. Got to check out the size. So this is a 265/35/18. To 65/35/18, and I need 4 of them. Cheap tires. So, and then the same thing with the rim. Now I need 18-inch rims. Wow, the rims are a lot more expensive. So, not going to paint them, which I could if I wanted, but because of the nice logo on them, I am not going to do that. So now we just need to put the. Okay, here's the tire I did miss out on. No matter, doesn't matter. All right. So we have to balance the tires as well. So while that's happening, I will balance this one. It's a little mini game they put in here to do that. Not difficult at all. All right, so now we got the 4 tires done, installed onto the rims. I'm not going to put the tires on. I'm going to paint them without the tires. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Doesn't really matter. So got to go see if I can repair any of the body parts that I took off. Also a little mini game here, as you can see. So I got those 2 fixed. And they are the trunk and the rear bumper. So I need everything else. So let's do it this way. Okay, before I do that, what I need to do is go to the interior. I want to replace the entire interior as well. It's only one. Nice. Porsche steering wheel there. So let's put in the interior that we just bought. It's like I've never played the game because I'm worried so much about the recording here. So now we have to assemble. First we have to buy. Okay, body shop for the Porsche. There we go. So now I'm just going to go through and buy everything except for the trunk and the rear bumper because I already have those. Normally this would be an expensive endeavor, but I'm pretty much have unlimited cash because I've been playing this safe for a while. Got over 1.5 million credits probably. There you can see it up at the top right, 1.6 million. So not a big deal. Don't have to worry about money these days. All right, now we got it. Now we just put the stuff on. Apparently I forgot to remove the back window, but we've got a new one here, so I'll just go and slap that baby right on. Just realized I don't have any license plates for this. That's all right. So let's put a couple on our shopping list. Now, if I were doing a live video or a live broadcast, oh, that is one ugly ass bumper. Good Lord. Then I would say, hey, type in the comments, what license plate should I buy? Okay, it looks like we've got everything. I'll check the inventory. Yeah. Rear windshield. Oh, the front windshield. That's the front windshield. Okay, there it is. All right, what else? Ah, the tail lights. All right, all right, all right. Okay, let's go to license plate shop. You can see we got a whole bunch of different ones. What for a Porsche? Let's see if they got something from Germany. What the hell? Don't think there. Yeah, there is. There's one from Germany. All right, so we got to buy 2 of them. All right. Okay, now for the fun part. Now let's go to the paint shop. So now we can look at those preset liveries. If they're already, oh, that's a nice turbo thing. And I wanted to paint it yellow anyway. That might clash with the yellow paint I wanted to paint it. Might not be a good choice. So let's see what preset 2 is. Okay, same thing in white. That would go nicely with the yellow, except for the letter on the T and the S at the top there. Might be too white. So, and then we've got it same in black. So it's all the same decals. Okay, on the back it's the same. It's just a matter of the color. So let's go to the factory colors. And I wanted to take this. You see that turbo does not look good at all. So we will try, and white is not too bad. I think black looks better or looks best, or we just don't have any at all. Not a big fan of that. I think I'll go with the black. Yeah, the black's nice. I just don't like the white. Not with the yellow. The yellow is too bright, too light of a color, I think, in this case. So let's paint that big boy. So there we go, nice and finished. Let's move it back to the garage. So, and there we go. That'll do it for this first part of this video, and when we come back, we're going to strip down, we're going to take out the engine, bring the engine over here to the repair station for the engine, break down the suspension from underneath, and see how much of that we can repair, how much we have to buy, and then get some nice shiny new parts on there. So, looking forward to the next time. See you guys later. Have a good one.